Hey, welcome guys. Today we learn Tableau animated race bar chart. And first of all, I want to tell you that if anybody want to subscribe my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can receive my updated videos as well. Now we can come to this point. So now today we learn Tableau animated race bar chart. How we create animated race bar chart. Now come to Tableau. For that I using a sample superstore dataset, and I have one sheet order, and in order you can see there is a lot of fields. Okay, now come to the sheet 2. Here suppose we have a subcategories. So when you double click over it, it's automatically go to rows subcell. Okay, and now when you double click on sales, let's go in test some sales, but I don't want to see like that. You just drag it and drop here. Now it is a bar chart, you can see, and I just want to know the animated bar chart. First of all, can swap it, decrease order. Okay, now if I want to change the color, suppose just control plus drag into color, so you can see here is a different color. Now I want to know the customer, who is the customer, whose subcategories, customer wise subcategory sales I want to know. Okay, for that just drag and drop to pay self customer, add all members. Okay, and we just hide this card. Here is a customer name, and this is the, you can say, animated bar chart. Here is a three options like speed, like slow, medium and fast. Okay, now when you start this, when you're clicking over there, you can see here, and you easily just stop it, click it, stop it. Now you can see Alan is the customer whose subcategory chairs and maximum coppers by sales. Okay, and you can just drag and drop here in labels so you can see the numbers, right? So coppers is $3,000. Okay, so Alan is the customer. So this is the way you can modification, or you can fulfill your client requirement as per the requirement given by them. So it is the most attractive way to show in front of your client or in your supervision, right? So this is the good way, and you just create it and you just click over there, and it is an animated bar chart. And who is first see this, who is very intact and impressed, that that kind of chart too. So I hope you enjoy this, guys. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can receive my updated video. Thank you.